Hi there, today we'll be talking about Fidelity Investments, a top platform offering services for all types of investors. In this review, we will go over account types, investment options, fees, platform usability, and unique features. I will also share the pros and cons to help you decide if Fidelity is the right fit for you. So, let's dive in. Fidelity Investments was founded in 1946 and is headquartered in Boston, MA. It is one of the largest and most well-known financial services companies, serving millions of clients worldwide with investment management, brokerage, and retirement services. But why do so many people choose Fidelity? To answer that, let's start by exploring the different types of accounts Fidelity offers. First, brokerage accounts. Fidelity's standard brokerage accounts give you access to a wide variety of investment options including stocks, ETF, options, mutual funds, and more. These accounts are easy to set up, and actually I have created a tutorial on how to do so that you can find on the link below. Retirement accounts. Fidelity offers traditional Roth, SEP, simple IRAs, and rollover IRAs. They also provide great tools for retirement planning. Third, robo-advisory accounts. Fidelity's robo-advisory service, Fidelity Go, is an affordable option for hands-off investors. It has low fees and it's a streamlined process. Fidelity Go creates a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Fourth, cash management accounts, or actually hybrid accounts that combine banking and investing. These accounts come with no monthly fees, ATM fees reimbursements, and competitive interest rates. Fifth, health savings account. If you have a high deductible health plan, Fidelity's health saving accounts is a good option to save on medical expenses. Sixth, education accounts. Fidelity offers 529 college saving plans and custodial accounts to help you save for education expenses while benefiting from tax advantages, as they call it. Additional account types worth mentioning here are the annuities and the life insurance accounts. Truly, actually, Fidelity provides an all-in-one platform for investors and savers. Now that we have covered the different account types Fidelity offers, let's take a closer look at what investment options are available within these accounts. From stocks and ETFs to bonds and options, Fidelity provides a wide range of choices for investors. These are stocks. Fidelity provides access to a domestic and international markets. Exchange-traded funds, the all-known ETFs. Fidelity offers thousands of ETFs, including commission-free options and its own low-cost Fidelity-branded ETFs. Third, mutual funds. Fidelity is renowned for its mutual funds offering, many of which come with no transaction fees. Fourth, bonds and fixed income. Fidelity offers a broad selection of government, municipal, and corporate bonds, along with CDs and bond ladders. Fifth, options. Investors can access advanced options trading with tools for strategy optimization and execution. And last, cryptocurrencies. Yes, you heard right. Fidelity recently launched Fidelity Crypto, which provide access to Bitcoin and Ethereum trading directly through the platform. While Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, there are a few areas where its offerings are limited or non-existent. And these are international stock markets. While I mentioned that Fidelity offers access to international stock markets, it provides not so many options like seen to other competitors. Second, cryptocurrencies. Fidelity does offer direct trading of a limited number of cryptocurrencies, which is just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but ignores everything else. And last, Forex. Fidelity does not support direct Forex trading. After exploring what Fidelity offers and it doesn't, it is important to consider the costs. Let's take a closer look at Fidelity's fees and pricing to see how it measures up in terms of affordability. They offer zero commission trading. Fidelity offers zero commission for online trades of stocks and ETFs. Their options contracts fee is 65 cents per contract, something that we have seen on Charles Schwab as well. They have low expense ratios. Fidelity's index funds have some of the lowest expense ratios in the industry, including zero expense ratio funds like the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. Third, no minimums. Most Fidelity accounts require $0 to open, making it accessible for all type of investors, which is good and it's pretty standard in the industry right now. Fourth, no transaction fees on mutual funds. Fifth, free account services. Fidelity charges no account fees for standard services such as maintenance or inactivity fees further adding to its affordability as an exchange in total. Again, this is pretty standard what we have seen across the majority of trading platforms we have reviewed. While Fidelity has many strengths when it comes to cost and fees, there are a few areas where they could improve. First, broker-assisted trades. Fidelity charges $32.95 per transaction for trades placed with a live broker, which is higher than some competitors. Second, margin rates. Fidelity's margin interest rates are 12.575% for balances under 25,000 and decreases with higher balances, as you can see in your screen, but remains less competitive compared to some other platforms. Third, they have fees for non-Fidelity mutual funds. Trading non-Fidelity mutual funds that aren't part of their no transaction fee program incurs a $49.95 fee per purchase, which is extremely high. Fourth and last, limited free wire transfers. Fidelity charges $10 for outgoing domestic wire transfer, whereas some competitors provide free wire services. Fidelity does provide quite a good value with no commissions and low fund costs, but some fees for niche trades and non-Fidelity mutual funds could be major drawbacks for certain investors, as you have to decide if you are one of them. To make it clear though that for the average investor, they do have a very solid fee structure with the exception of the limited wire transfers. Now that we have covered Fidelity's fees and cost, let's take a closer look on its platform usability. Fidelity's tools and features are designed to make investing simple and efficient for all types of users. Creating an account is rather simple, and as I mentioned earlier in this video, you can find links on the description on how to create both a brokerage and a Roth IRA account step by step. Buying and selling stocks and ETFs is quite simple as well, as the platform is quite friendly. Since we have checked what Fidelity has to offer, their pros and cons, it is time to make a trade on their platform and see what else they have to offer. Now let's execute the first trade in our account. To do that, click Trade on the top left corner. It's quite hidden, to be honest. I thought it would be in a much more prominent position. But anyhow, just click it. And on the pop-up window, which you can move around by the way, select a stock or an ETF that you want to trade. Make sure that you pick the proper account if you have more than one. I will buy the same ETF I buy on all my demos, and that will be no other than the SCHD. I will pick Buy, One Share, and Market Price, and click Preview Order. If the account you have picked is the right one, and the quantity and the price agrees with you, click Place Order. Let's click in the account, Individual, and there you have it. You can see the asset allocation, the balance, and the available cash to trade. In order to sell the assets, you can head to the Trade button once more, follow the same process, which is to pick the stocks, the action which is sell, number of shares, and market or limit order, and click Preview Order. Then just click Place an Order and your asset will be sold. I will keep it as is because I want you to show a bit more around the platform and how their metrics and analytics work holding a stock or an ETF. If you click Positions, you can see what is your current positions, the last price, total gain or loss, and the percentage of the account. Activity and order will give you a good summary of your past movements. I like the fact that you are able to track your activity back an entire year fast with the pre-selected options, or if you pick custom, you can go back as long as 5 years. Now let's have a look on the details on a stock or ETF Fidelity provides. By clicking the recently purchased SCHD ETF, we can see the price, change of the day, detailed information around the ETF, such as the net expense ratio, value of net assets, the last dividend distribution date, and of course, the top holdings of that ETF. It is in my plans to create a detailed video regarding SCHD down the line, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Also, I like that they include a card with our position in it, which allows us to see the P&L and the percentage it holds in our account. Scrolling a bit down, we can see the analyst ratings, which for many are very useful, the fund profile, which allows us to dive into a bit more, and the upcoming events and news. For the dividends enthusiasts like me, distributions and expense is what you want to check. Here you get the info about the last distribution date, the yield, the potential capital gain, and info on the dividends over the past few years. They don't provide a lot of history. For example, Charles Schwab provides info up to 10 years, You can get those in TradingView as well. So I did expect that in this field, they would have a lot more information. It would be more populated, to be honest. Anyhow, let's check Fidelity's trading dashboard. As prior, I just bought and sell on their boring interface. They do have their own trading platform as well. Here, as you can see, they outline all my positions, which are in SCHD. And if you recall, when we opened the account a few minutes earlier, my cash were on a Fidelity government money market account. So we can see that there. Here we can trade much faster. As by click on an asset, I have the buy and sell options on the right side ready. You can create a watch list. Just click and add names, and you can add a symbol by clicking add symbol. I will add Pepsi. Clicking on it, I will get a quick access to buy and sell as well as the chart below. For those interested in options, by clicking option chain, you can get the interface to trade them. If you click option statistics, you can see what the majority does and also see the top 20 trades on the day of the certain stock. I cannot say that I'm overexcited on their trading platform. However, for an investor, it's more than enough, to be honest, as if you plan to buy and hold your positions, the interface does not matter much. For day traders, most likely you will have to download the Active Trader Pro, which is a much more enhanced trading platform offered by Fidelity. Overall, Fidelity is a solid platform for many types of investors, offering a wide range of accounts, investment options, and helpful tools. Its biggest strengths are zero commission trading on stocks and ETFs, quite simple platform, low cost fund, and strong customer support. It also provides a great educational resources and easy integration across its tools, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced investors. That said, Fidelity has a few downsides. It offers limited trading of cryptocurrencies, no forex trading, higher costs for certain niche trades, and a limited free wire transfers, which might be an issue for some traders. Also to say that their platform feels a bit outdated based on the competition out there. Overall, Fidelity is a great choice for most investors, especially those seeking low fees on stocks and ETFs, a wide range of investment options, and dependable support. I hope that this video helped you to decide if Fidelity is the right platform for you. If it did, please like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. I will be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.